Alright, so check out this paper airplane, everyone. I hold the plane right here at the center of the plane. Hold up, and I'm going to throw it really hard to see how fast it can fly. Alright, so it's right here and throw it now. Wow, wow, so cool. See, it's make a loop and it flies very far. So I want to see it again. I'll throw it hard and see how it make a loop again. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Very, very cool plan. So let me throw it one more time. You guys want to see it? I'll hold it right here. Throw it hard, and I expect it will make a loop and flies for a distance. So hold it right here. All right, look. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Isn't that cool, everyone? So I hope that you guys enjoy making this paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, right? Share the tutorial with your friends and tell your friend that Tree teach you how to make this friends. Hello again, everyone. It's been a while since I published a paper airplane tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper not airplane. I'm going to teach you how to make a paper jet. So are you ready? To make a paper jet, you will need a piece of your letter size paper. If you do not have your letter size paper, try A4 paper, and I hope it will work. Now, first step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Make sure that you leave a small gap between this edge and the edge below. So I will use my finger as a measurement. You can use your finger. So press the paper down. Press it down like this. Very simple. I will place the paper this way, and I'm going to fold the paper in half. Fold it in half like this. And make sure that you fold it straight, okay? Now, let's look nice. I'm going to open the paper and start from the upper part for both sides of the paper to the center crease. So for straight like this. Rest the paper down. I fold up so you can see the crease. You see this crease right here? Right, so fold the other side toward the center crease as well. Toward the center crease. Adjust the paper just a little bit and press it down. Okay, now we have both sides of the paper. I'm going to open both sides up. Both sides up. Open this part of the paper up as well. Wow, you have see that all creases go to the center point. That is all we need. I'll place the paper this side so that you can see it go to the center point as well. Now place this like this, okay, or maybe like this so you can see that. Now I can fold both sides to the center crease like this. See, both sides to the center crease, and I can hold the paper up and fold the paper up. Adjust it a little bit. Now I can fold to the other side. Press the paper down. Lots of creases. Fold to the other side and press it down, right, and then hold it up and then open this part of the paper, right, open it, push both sides and press the upper part down. Very simple. Press it down here, press it down on this side as well, this side. Rest the paper down, press the paper down, place it like this. Wow, you have a house. We're not going to make a house, guys. We spent like 2 minutes just to reach to this step. That's okay. Now let's fold this part of the paper up. Start from this, fold to the center crease, right? Yeah. We're going to make a jet, right? We fold here, right? Press the paper and fold this side out. Repeat the same fold. Fold this to the other side. Fold this to the center crease. That's exactly what I like. So for here, adjust it a little bit. For this part of the paper out. Fix the wings. This will be the wings for you for sure. You can see the paper airplane just pop up already, right? It's almost like a paper airplane already. Wait, hold on. We're not going to make a paper airplane. We're going to make a paper jet. So we have to do more. This part of the paper, I'll fold straight out, right? I'll fold this part of the paper out like that, right here. Fold straight out. Here we go. I fold this one backwards. The other side, yeah, I fold the same thing. Start from this edge, I fold out, and see this edge right here. I fold down so that I can have a strong tail. Right, the cocktail is very important. Important. Okay, for this one here, for this one over here again. So start from this edge for straight down. Well, let's see. Both sides adjusted a little bit. If it's not nice, so it doesn't look nice. Just for it a little bit better. Yeah. Both sides. There we go. It's not even, then I have to adjust this side a little bit more, so it's look better. Here we go. A lot of fall ready, but I'll just stop right here so you can see both sides, right? You can see both sides already. You see this side. I flip it over. You can see the wings. Yeah, I can adjust here. Just this upper part here as well. Look at this. How this very cool looking shape of the plane already. What I'm going to do next? Well, very simple. Just leave this look this way. Okay, I'll fold this part up to create the stabilizer first. Make sure that we have the stabilizer straight into here. Straight up. This side. For straight up. This look really cool, right? Have this part of the paper already. It's like a jet already. So what I'm going to do now, fold the paper in half, fold it in half. So fold it in half for sure. Hey, make sure that both sides are even now. I've adjusted. If it's not even because we didn't fold it properly, but that's okay. I'm not going to make a long distance paper airplane. I'll just show you step how to make it, and when you get used to it, you will focus on the balance of the plane. Okay, now I finished this for the plane already. You see this right here. Looks really cool, right? So I'm going to fold this one first to create the plane, to show you guys how it look like. So finish this side first, right? And going to do the same thing for the other side. We don't have enough space, so I have to hold the paper down and fold it straight. Let me see. The edge right here, so fold straight. So we have this part of the plane already. You see right here. This looks really cool. So let me fold this part of the plane up first. Adjust it first. Both sides. Look nice. I place this down because I just want to show you how it's look like. Now we have the crease, everything. Just place down. The next one is very simple. I will start from the bottom part of the plane, right? I'll place the paper down. Let me start from here. I fold straight down here. Okay, so I'm going to place the paper down. I'm going to fold it down like this. I'm going to fold it down so that this wing looks strong and straight. And I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. I fold straight down so I have a strong point wings. Let's look good. I'll fold the other side back in now so I can have both sides. You see this pointy part here. I press both sides together. If it's not, then just adjust the paper a little bit more. For this side and the other side, adjust this part of the paper. This same thing. Here we go. So this is what we have, right? This is what we have. I can open the stabilizers, and this is how the plane look like. You want to hold the plane through it like this? Well, it won't fly. Okay. So next step, I fold to this side. I fold to this side, right? And then I open this part of the paper right here, and I press this down. And I can fold the paper in half. I can fold it in half. Okay, before I fold it in half, I pull this part of the paper up. You see this tiny part here? I push it in the central. I put in the central, and I press the paper up here. You see this part right here? I push this up so I can have a tiny mini head right here, right away. See that? And I can fold the paper in half. Now you know that this part is very hard, so press this careful. Press this careful. Press this really, really careful, otherwise you just break it. Next step, I'm going to fold this part of paper down to create the wings. Make sure that you fold that to the crease that we made earlier. The reason why I show you how to make the crease, just show you the reference. Now you can fold it down. Here we go. So I finished this crease to create the first wings. Repeat the same fold for the other wings. Fold that. Fold it down to create the wings and open the plan up. We had the head of the plan like this. Hey, look pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Open this stabilizers. Open this stabilizer. Look at this jet. Look at this, guys. So here you go. This is a new paper airplane. I hope that you guys enjoyed making this paper airplane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. And wait, before you throw the plane, make sure that you curl the elevators up a little bit, the stabilizer, the wings up a little bit, adjust the stabilizer so it looks nice. Here we go. So this is again a new paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Tell people that Tri teach you how to make this plane too. Thank you for watching. Bye.